Hi guys, welcome back to SQL with RaviMartha. How are you guys? Hope you are doing good. Sorry, I have not done any new videos for the last 1 month, one and a half month. Sorry for that. So I started creating again. So at least I'll do one video per week so that there is a continuity. And I thought I'll create a SQL in 2 minutes series so that in 2 minutes I'll complete the video so that you can just get the quick introduction and a quick practical example for the keywords or any functions or any interview question so that you can easily save your time and you can get the knowledge of SQL. Okay. And also one request from my end is that please like my Facebook page, that is SQL with RaviMartha. So I have given my Facebook page, that is facebook.com/sql.ravimartha.5. And if you have any SQL queries, you can drop an email at sql.ravimartha@gmail.com. And also, I have all the whatever the videos I have made, I have the notes available at sqlwithravimartha.blogspot.com. And you can visit this, and all the scripts are available. If you want to practice all the SQL, just go ahead and copy from there, and you can run it in the SQL Server or Oracle, whichever the database you are using. And you can try out all the videos. Around close to 35 or 37 videos which are already available in my SQL with RaviMartha, and you can go to the playlist and check it out. And if you have any SQL queries, just drop an email to this particular email ID so that I can assist you. Do subscribe to my channel and also like my Facebook page so that you will receive notifications when I upload new videos, right? Please like my Facebook page and do encourage me to upload more videos. And thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you very much.